Hello, my name is Excelina, and I am here part of Talent Division. I can tell you that I have been here for several weeks, and I have been blessed. I was acting before, but believe me, now I can act so much better. Believe me, come here, you get a try.
I've been taking classes here now for several months, and it's great. Ron's enthusiasm really is uplifting. It helps drive me to do better. I just love his enthusiasm and his drive. It just makes me want to come back and work with him even more.
I think the talent division is just absolutely awesome. It's entertaining, it's fun, it's great. We learn so many different things here, and there is nowhere else I would rather.
After going through some classes, I've gained so much knowledge. Everything has helped me in my career, and just the improv, the script work, everything. I love it. I've gotten so much more appreciation for it, and I couldn't be any more appreciative of this class.
Honestly, this is one of the best things that's ever happened to me in my life. I've never had really the biggest experience I've had now, learning how to work with other different people in a very special environment. It's so breathtaking, and all the things we learn and all the scripts we read, it's so magnificent. I really encourage anyone who ever wants to be an actor to take this chance and do something, because it does matter.
It is amazing. I have learned so much. I've built so much confidence, and I thank Ron Denner for that. Because before that, I was ready, but not as ready as I am now. And anyone that has ever doubted themselves or second thought themselves, come try it out. It's phenomenal. I can't even explain it. Actions speak louder than words.
I truly believe that this is one of the best acting classes that I've ever taken. And I believe I've gained so much experience from just 2 classes already, and I'm excited to learn more.
I'd like to say when I first came in here the first night, I was scared to death. After watching everybody else perform, I ended up being the last one. Once I made it through that, I knew that I could do this. I did that through the help of Ron and his excellent coaching, and I just am amazed at all of the talent that continues to come in here, just challenging and creating and making people be better. And I just see us growing to much higher leaps and bounds than we even have guessed we could go.